Aphorism 53 in Dr. Samuel Hahnemann's Organon of Medicine, which is a foundational text for homeopathy, emphasizes the importance of observing the nature of a disease to determine whether it is a dynamic, functional, or mechanical structural issue. Let's analyze this aphorism in detail. Content of Aphorism 53, paraphrased. When a disease is caused by the action of harmful external influences, such as mechanical or chemical factors, and its effects can be directly removed, the disturbance in the organism ceases to exist after the external cause is eradicated. However, if the disturbance persists, it is likely due to dynamic reasons affecting the vital force, requiring homeopathic treatment. Key components and explanation. Nature of disease. Hahnemann divides diseases into two broad categories: mechanical or structural causes, physical injuries, chemical burns, obstructions, or external material causes. Dynamic causes, disturbances in the vital force, which is the energetic force governing the body's health and balance. Diseases caused by mechanical means, example, a wound or broken bone, usually require mechanical remedies, example, surgery or physical repair. On the other hand, dynamic disturbances require treatment with homeopathic remedies. Role of the vital force. Hahnemann believed that the vital force is the essence that keeps the organism healthy. A disturbance in the vital force leads to disease. If the symptoms persist after the external cause is removed, it implies that the vital force has been disturbed and needs to be restored through dynamic treatment. Application of homeopathy. Homeopathy focuses on addressing dynamic diseases rather than physical injuries. The treatment involves selecting remedies based on the law of similars, like cures like, and addressing the patient's holistic symptoms. Importance of diagnosis. Before prescribing treatment, the practitioner must determine if the disease is dynamic or mechanical. If mechanical, then homeopathy is not the primary treatment modality. This aphorism highlights the need for discernment in understanding the root cause of the disease. Examples to illustrate. Mechanical cause. A fractured bone due to trauma requires setting the bone and physical healing. Homeopathy plays a supplementary role in pain relief or promoting faster healing after the fracture has been treated mechanically. Dynamic cause. A chronic headache with no identifiable structural cause might result from an imbalance in the vital force. Homeopathy would aim to restore balance using remedies that align with the individual's specific symptoms and constitution. Relevance in practice. This aphorism ensures that homeopathy is applied where it is most effective and acknowledges the limitations of the method in dealing with purely mechanical or external physical issues. It stresses that proper case-taking and understanding the etiology of the disease are critical for successful treatment. Conclusion. Aphorism 53 underscores the importance of identifying whether a disease is due to external, mechanical, or dynamic causes. It aligns with Hahnemann's broader philosophy of holistic treatment and the vital force's role in health and disease. Understanding this helps practitioners decide when to apply homeopathy and when other interventions are necessary.